Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see all the viewers on Facebook story. So if you want to see the exact people that are viewing your Facebook stories, or if Facebook is just not giving you the exact people, just like in this picture, then I'm going to show you how you can disable this. So there's no actual way for you to see who are actually viewing your stories if it says 5 other people viewed your story. This is probably because you have a setting enabled that you don't want enabled. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on menu and you're going to scroll down until you find settings and privacy, and you're going to click on settings. Now we're going to click on the magnifying glass and we are simply going to type in stories just like this, and we're going to click on stories and then on storage privacy. Right now your story is probably in public if you are getting the other viewers tab over on your stories. If you don't want that, or if you simply want to see everyone who's viewing your story, then what you want to do is you want to enable friends, and now you will not be able to get any people outside of your friend group to watch your stories, but this will also eliminate the other viewers tab over on your stories. So that's how you can view other viewers on your Facebook stories. I know this is not the exact method, but this is the best workaround around it. So if you like this video and if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.